Good evening, Storm Chaser Vince Welty here with the daily update. A couple of things happening today. A severe thunderstorm watch was issued for portions of Wisconsin today. Well, this is just north of my area near the Madison and La Crosse region. I did not chase these storms. It kind of popped up out of the blue. A slight risk for severe weather by the Storm Prediction Center was introduced a little bit late for me to notice, and just wasn't time to get up there. A tornado warning, as shown here, did occur near La Crosse, but no reports of confirmed tornadoes. I'm kind of glad I didn't spend the fuel or the time to chase today. I don't think it would have panned out so well. In regards to Elsa, it's still a tropical storm approaching Florida right now. Looks to make landfall maybe as a weak Category 1 hurricane, a low-end hurricane, maybe 75 to 85 mile per hour winds. Likely will landfall somewhere north of Tampa, Florida over the next 24 or 36 hours. I'll post the hurricane track here. This is new development. We were expecting this to remain a tropical storm for all of its life cycle, but recent model runs have indicated that the storm may make a brief intensification here right before landfall. Still looking at minimal hurricane impacts from it, but storm surge could still be a problem, as well as heavy flooding rains. We can see a flooding issue across basically all of the Florida peninsula. The storm's eventually going to track up and back out to sea, but not before impacting Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and portions of the East Coast. Right now I'm doing my time lapse here. This time lapse is going to be looking off in the sky over my backyard. Nothing really notable. A couple of fair weather cumulus clouds up there, but that's about it. Just for anybody who's wondering, I do typically time lapse with a Canon M50. It's a mirrorless SLR type camera. Just with the stock kit, the 15 to 45 millimeter lens. With the crop factor, I think that 15 millimeter translates out to like an 18 or a 19, whatever. It's great for time lapsing for quick videos such as this. It compresses everything into an MP4, which isn't great. Normally when I do a time lapse, I'll use like my D3000 or my Lumix camera with an intervalometer on it and process the raw image files. But just for these quick vlog style photos, this is a great, absolutely wonderful camera. I've got it set right now for an image every 2 seconds for 900 images. Comes out to be like a 29-minute video or MP4. Throw a quick color grade over it, throw it in Final Cut, and stick it in the video. Makes just a real quick process. For severe weather, I'm looking at activating another storm chase late Thursday night for travel, and then on Friday, maybe even into late Friday night, early Saturday morning for a storm chase. Looks like it's going to be eastern Nebraska, western Iowa region. This may change. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a day 4 15% risk. We'll see if they bump that up to a slight risk here for the day 3 update after midnight. Watching this for a possibility of tornadoes, damaging wind, and large hail. Right now the tentative plan is to chase the eastern Nebraska portion of this, but that may change, and I'll keep you updated on this as time goes on. We should know more once the 3-kilometer NAM and, as much as I hate to admit it, the 48-hour HRRR come into play over the next day or so.